Okay, another goal for many people are to earn this specific amount of money. And I tell people, when you put yourself in the situation to earn this amount of money, it's okay. But what if I told you you could earn more than that? I tell people, don't put a limit. If you want to earn, let's say, for example, $3,000 a month, then instead of saying I want to earn $3,000 a month, say I want to earn more than $3,000 a month with the least amount of effort in a legal way and in a fun way, because you might be able to earn this much money but sacrifice your health, your relationships. You see what I'm saying? Because many people can earn that amount of money, but they are putting at risk other things. So you want to earn this amount of money in the least amount of effort, but also in a balanced way. So to think about it not only as the money, but as a lifestyle, as a healthy situation, with something that I love doing, with something that is fun for me. And instead of thinking of a specific job that you want to do for this amount of money, allow the universe, God, whoever is in charge, to create this opportunity for you by taking easy and fun steps towards that. Well, how can you take easy and fun steps? You can follow one or two people on YouTube or Instagram. One or two people, not 203,000, because you're going to go crazy. It's too many ideas. One thing that I have noticed is that my intuition is the best guide that I have. And many people are waiting to be guided by somebody else. They're trying to follow somebody's footsteps. But that person had their own footsteps. If you try to follow on somebody's footsteps, it's going to be harder than if you follow your own guidance system. In that sense, meditation for me is very important for all your goals. Meditation. And when I say meditation, find a guided meditation for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes a day. In the morning, it's the best. If you can just say, if you don't have 2 or 3 minutes a day, then find them. Find them. 2 or 3 minutes in the morning. Even if you make people think you're in the bathroom and you lock yourself in the bathroom and you just sit in the toilet and flush it and nothing is happening, but you're sitting there. 2 or 3 minutes. Plug some guided meditation or listen to the shower going and focus on the shower, the water, waterfall, lake, ocean. Just think of something that you feel comfortable about for 2 or 3 minutes in the morning. And this will help you to focus with any goal. And it will help information flow to you. It will help people flow to you, ideas that will help you get to where you want to go in an easy and fun way.